Wilson says the family is still processing his death.
We're just taking, like, one day at a time. We have to go through the process. The family is frustrated. We're dealing with the frustration. We're also dealing with the grief process. And we're just trying to just deal.
Two of the suspects remain behind bars, including Derek Chauvin, who held Floyd down last month. The other two are out on bail. All will stand trial together on March 8th. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM Sports. At least 3 Major League Baseball players say they're out. They won't play in the upcoming season because of the pandemic. This includes a pitcher for the Arizona Diamondbacks and 2 members of the Washington Nationals. For more news, listen to the Daily Dive. The big news stories explained, not shouted, every day on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Now, more of Rhode Island's news, traffic, and weather with Ron St. Pierre on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Merry Christmas, thanks a bunch. The high peaks and low valleys on Wall Street continue. The Dow Jones Industrial's up 580 points yesterday after a dismal performance on Friday. More ups and downs ahead. We'll check in with Chuck Sauter from the Financial Exchange Program coming up next. It's 8:35.
Message and data rates may apply. Individual results vary. Exclusions apply.
Contacts and glasses are such a hassle. I'd love to finally get LASIK, but
I'm going to stop you right there. If you want LASIK, then the LASIK Vision Institute has officially taken away everything standing in your way.
Isn't LASIK expensive?
Not at the LASIK Vision Institute. We're offering dramatically low prices, as low as $220 per eye, and an absolutely free consultation. See for free if LASIK is right for you by going to LASIK.com or texting EYES to 350350.
But I'm really busy.
A text only takes seconds. The LASIK procedure typically only takes 15 minutes, and most patients can get back to work the following day. The LASIK Vision Institute uses the latest FDA-approved LASIK technology that helps the majority of patients achieve 20/20 vision. We've performed over 1.3 million procedures for as little as $220 per eye.
What's that text again?
Text EYES to 350350 or go to LASIK.com. Again, to schedule your free consultation today, go to LASIK.com or text EYES to 350350.
1-800-GOT-JUNK is proud to announce no contact full-service junk removal.
How does it work?
When our truck team arrives at the home, they'll pick up the junk from wherever the customer decided to put it.
But what if it's still in the home?
Our healthy, happy truck team will only touch the junk they're hauling away, and they never get closer than 6 feet from the customer.
Your home will feel big, clean, and open.
When you want junk to disappear, call 1-800-GOT-JUNK.
Or visit 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.